What's up, guys? We're back at the dump. We're about to destroy a microwave that I have to fish out because it's pretty far down in the dump. But I didn't get to show you guys the fridge because my second video got taken down of the destruction of it. Because it's not for kids, whenever I literally made it not for kids. So, there's a couple minor dents and scratches, you know. It'll probably still work tomorrow, right? You think so? You think it'll work? Yeah, I think it'll work. Yeah. But, I think it'll work. But I'm gonna go set the grappling hook up and then come back in a second because it's gonna take a second. It's a magnet fishing and grappling hook set. And I'll be right back. That is the pause button. Hard cut, but we got it hooked up to the tree down there. Pretty decently long line. And we got the little grapple. Down there, right there, is what we're trying to fish out. Let's see if I can do it one-handed, or I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Well, I'm a terrible aim if you couldn't tell. And if I get this grappling hook stuck anywhere, I'm screwed. But, you know, we can get closer. I got some pretty good boots on. Come on. No, don't go there. This is gonna be a terrible camera angle. I need a cameraman, you know? Shit. Okay, I need a cameraman. Because how am I supposed to hook it? Shoot, I didn't think about this. No, I'm gonna have to put the camera down, guys. I'll see you when I get the fridge. I mean the microwave. We got it. I just gotta get it up. Come on. Damn it. Hold up. Sorry I've had to put you guys down so much, but this was a biatch to get out. But here it is. Hold up. Here it is. Look at the little ugly thing. We kind of broke it a little bit before, but you know, it's gonna be fine. All right. Let's hope this angle works. It's kind of bad, right? I don't know. I can't really get a good angle right now. I can't bring my truck out to how much mud there is. I never come on my dirt bike. Come on, out the way. I did not bring weapons today because I'm stupid and I forgot. And it's 8 a.m. Or it's like 8:30, I have no clue. But I'm gonna put my gloves on so I don't die. Because gloves have scared people from sharp things before. And yeah, once again, probably not gonna be able to hear me very well. I can't use a mic out here. It'll get caught on something and rip right out the phone, or like it'll turn off the video, something stupid. It'll yank the phone off the stand, which is just my dirt bike because my stand is not sitting on it, to be honest. Holy shit. It's a good handle. I'm just gonna bring it back some. Because y'all can't see that shit. I guess we're just gonna use our weapons I find. Like the gear, and then the washing machine piece. The motor from the washing machine. It'll work. Duh. And look at that. He's dead. I don't know if you can see that. It's so easy to throw big pieces of metal around it though. Well, someone melted it. Did you put these things in meltable? I thought they were aluminum. Okay, bye. What's holding this on? Oh. That is. I had a reason for that. Die. It worked. Oh crap, that works. Oh, y'all ever wanted to see the inside of a microwave? There's a little plug in here. Look at that. Look at the baby plug. It's almost like it wants to be snapped. But yeah, that's the inside of a microwave front, or whatever the heck this thing's called. The touchpad? Yeah. It's touchy. Holy crap. Oh, probably Man, I wish I brought my weapon, but it's so stupid. Why won't it come off? Come on. Baby piece. Let's just throw this little piece. You know, I don't know if you can even see this stuff, so I'm just gonna put it on the camera trick real quick. Oh yeah, you could see that stuff. It's okay. That thing keeps rolling away. How disrespectful, man. You know? Like, it doesn't want me to abuse it. I mean, it's like... I'm gonna take you guys to a rage room for my birthday this year. I'm going to one, and I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna make sure to have, like... By then, I'll probably have a tripod. But right now, I'm not trying to spend my money on the tripod. You know? I want to save up for a little bit. Well, don't break up here. I need you to break down here. That hurt. Come on. There it went. Don't need this anymore. The motherboard out. Nice. Oh, look at the crushed chunks of chips. The real boys know what this is. It's called Yummy Chips. Because it's from the motherboard. Don't make an edit of that. Dude, you know what's funny? I need to get some edits. Like, that means I gotta put some videos out, and I gotta get someone being my fan. You know, motherboards are fun to destroy. But the inside is what's really fun to destroy. You know, I really hope I can set you all back up. This is for, like, luck. But, that's the inside of a microwave, if you didn't know. Got all those external weird wires. And there's even a fan in there. Weird how we never hear a fan when we use a microwave. And disgusting, but there's that, you know. Let's see if I can get this set back up right. I don't think I will. Oh, I got it. Just don't touch it. I don't want to break this, like breaking something else, you know? It's very loose, and I don't like that, but, you know. What the hell is that? I really can't wait for the rage room, dude, where I have actual good weapons to do this with. Nice. Also, last video, I hope it was posted, right? Ooh, there's a bike over there. We're doing a bike next. Is that a deer? Must be the wind. No. Get focused, get focused. Remember that pickaxe I said I had? I don't have that anymore. I snapped the handle. For a 5th time. Man, it's hot out here. We need to get some rain. This thing ain't working. I think that sounds broken. I'm gonna bust my ass. We do like a full spin so it smacks the... I wish I had like new items. Cause this is just an old rusty microwave. That's just an old fridge. You know? It doesn't even have a door on it. I'm sorry, we broke that a while ago. I should have recorded it. Back then I didn't want to do YouTube, now I need more. Do not try this at home. It could end in death. How do I get that to stick in though? Do I gotta throw it like this? I mean, if I did this, yeah. It's not gonna stick in, huh? No, I just don't think it will. It'd be nice if I would stop missing the actual point. I want to put a hole in it. No, that's a gunshot. I don't know why, but that's a gunshot. We'll go find some more weapons. I want to go find some more weapons. This is getting boring. So I'll take you with. Oh. I'm glad I'm wearing gloves because I don't want to touch my phone with these gloves anymore. We'll set that right there. Bike show off. I'm in randomly a good mood today. I woke up at 5 a.m. for absolutely no reason. And that might just because I'm a little bit tired right now, but I'm just in a good mood. But that bike over there, that's next week's video. Or heck, I won't be here next week. I'm gonna make 2 videos this week. Because I missed 2 weeks, might as well make 2. Maybe even 3 so I can make up for next week. Because I'm not gonna be posting next week. I'm going on vacation next week. Why is there a perfectly good Tonka truck sitting out there? Who would do that? That was like a childhood toy, dude. Oh yeah, and this is my pole Melvin. He's gonna destroy some stuff with me. Melvin, you missed. I don't like Melvin anymore. He's mean. Hey, we can use a bike helmet. We can use that ugly ass bike helmet down there. Ooh, a frog. What are those? You got the water 360s. Don't mind my autism showing. Yeah, if y'all didn't know, I have autism. So does my brother. Why is our archery target out here? Who is bringing this stuff out? That was my target that my dad graciously stopped using so I can use. I was thinking nail's gonna impale my foot. It's only a little bit dirty. Look at that cool spider web. It almost makes me feel bad that I've killed a spider in the last week. Huh. There's just like... Oh, there's a golf club over there. Another bike. This is like... This is years of garbage just waiting to be destroyed even more. Is that a TV screen? That looks like a TV screen to me. You think that's a TV screen? My videos are going to be so boring if I can't find stuff to get. That's why I'm smashing a bike next week, and I'm not doing it now. My videos are probably boring anyway. This one's going to be a longer video. Oh my god. The glass is plastic. Maybe not. There's a little Tonka. I'm taking that up there. This is now mine, and it's good. Oh look, there's a freaking padlock over there. I'm gonna pick it when I get home. What the heck is this? If it was smaller, it'd be a great weapon. And how is there a tree growing from the burn pit? That makes no sense. That is a TV. I wanted to break this TV too. You guys do not understand the smell of this dump. Just You guys also like the sound of breaking glass? Tell me. Ewy. There's not very many weapons because most of the metal in here is hollowed out. I gotta scratch my head. Well, you're gonna scratch my head with me. Man, there's no other weapons. I just gotta bring weapons out next time. Should I order a spear on Amazon to use as a weapon? I could. I have the money to do that. And before y'all come at me, no, I don't have the money for a tripod, but I have the money for a spear because, you know, it's a spear. Right? Crap, my arm is itching now. Don't you just love whenever the rain starts and as soon as you get out here, the sun comes out and it's just really humid and annoying? Yeah, me too. And if you've been watching this channel at all, which has been like 2 viewers, you know I don't cut my videos. I film all of it unless I'm just like setting something up. Then I pause the video because Apple allows you to do that on iPhones now. Tonka truck versus microwave. Let's get it. And guess what? Tonka with not even a dent. Because that's Tonka, bitch. It's not gonna break. Let's just get this out of here. These are the most indestructible toys. Like, look. Wow, a whole dent to the bumper. Look at the microwave. This thing did that single-handedly, and you know it. Yeah. Set you all back up. I'm not holding you anymore. I'm not your mother. Does that show it well? Good enough. Bit of twisting, but dude, this Tonka is Tonka truck. I said that wrong. This Tonka is Tonka tub. I don't even see that one. I did a super cool spin. Is the bucket closed still? Okay, so we're fine. Thumbnail. Okay, we got it. There's a... Now chat. Whoever's watching this. I found a brick. A brick. Weapon. Double weapon. Please don't think I'm crazy. I'm really not. I'm just sleep deprived. That's all I got. I'm sleep deprived. Oh yeah, and then I have autism. But I'm sleep deprived. I'm sleep deprived. Should I start a biking Instagram? I got a dirt bike. I can ride the dirt roads. And the roads around me. I live in the middle of nowhere if y'all couldn't tell. We're in the middle of the woods. But I could start a biking Instagram and get a GoPro. That'd be a lot of money though. I don't have money right now. Listen, if we can get 1,000 subscribers, I will not only make a biking Instagram, I will also make a biking YouTube. And put biking videos up. Y'all wanna see that? We're at level 35 right now, dude. We can do this. Dude, I want to stream these. This would be so fun to stream. Get me to 50 at least. How about that? No, 1,000's not the goal. 100's not the goal. We're going to 50. We only need 15 more people. If you have me on Discord, my Discord tag is King of Cards. If you have me on there, click that link in my bio, you know? It helps me out because guess what? If you subscribe, then I can do live streams. And you can see this live and comment and say, hey, what's up, man? Even though I'll probably have 0 viewers. It's okay. I'm going insane. Dude, the brick does too much damage, actually. Like, you know with YouTubers how they go from, like, baby weapons to really good weapons? I do this. I don't have a budget for YouTube videos. I don't have money. McDonald's does not pay as much as you do. Especially for a first-year employee. It's not bad, and it's getting me some money every once in a while, but I need a YouTube payoff, you know? And that might not happen, and then it's going to be a little bit depressing. I'll just keep making videos for no reason. And heck, I don't even know if I can hear you. Heck, I don't even know if you can hear me right now because I don't have a mic. Maybe you can. Maybe the mic's not worth it because the mic in the first video was terrible. That hurt me. Be honest, am I built like a baked bean? I think I'm built like a baked bean. Oh, that seems to work. It's like Thor's hammer, you know? It was crazy. We're gonna come over here, you can't see me. Destructive. How would you guys feel if you've made it this far into the video? What the heck are you doing here, dude? Do you really care about watching my videos that much? If you do, thank you so much. Please like a like, I don't know, something cool. How about I turn this into a destruction channel? Not just do this every once in a while. Start working about it. Can you undent, please? I'm trying to undent this right now. And you get to see my weird side while I'm destroying things. Win-win. I don't know if I should do more, you know? It's kind of taking a big beating. Until you look at this side. You ask, Cameron, Cam, whatever you want to call it. Bitch, I don't care. What's wrong with the backside? It's not destroyed. You know what we're gonna do? Truck, obviously. It does the most damage. It does infinite damage. Cut. Right there. Where's the brick? Not the brick when it works. Did I lose the brick? Oh no, it's right here. Yeah, screw it. This holds a whole 170-pound man. You heard me. Why is the bottom so strong? Oh, that's not gonna work. That's really not gonna work, huh? I fret, we've done it. Yeah, I just used a word I don't know. Heard it in a movie. Rhymes to Grug. I put a hole in the sun bar. You better not have heard that. that's over there now. Let's see if we get stuck in again. I don't know how we did it the first time, honestly. Is it jammed? It's jammed. We got it. Oh, my shins. You like that, that's nice. You have no idea what's about to hit you. It goes all right. Yeah, you're fine. This is my mini, not a dishwasher. This is my washing drum. His name is Bruce. You love Bruce, right? Yeah, you love Bruce. I'm not gonna throw it at you. That'd be stupid. I can spin now. Duh. Would you say destructive? I would say destructive. Let's get one last look and hope my video doesn't get taken down because YouTube doesn't read. No offense, YouTube. You're an amazing company and I want to get paid one day. But you know. The fan is now out of the motor. No words. It has eyes now and 2 teeth. What should we name him? Give me a name for him in chat. And give me a name for that weapon. Ow, that didn't feel right. It's got my leg on it. That weapon? The Tonka truck, which I might just call Tonk. The big barrel. Oh, there's a spider in there. I've been throwing a spider around. I'm so sorry. That's Ashy. I'm just gonna kick it. I'm about to drag this stuff away. Go inside and get me a shower. Y'all, if you stuck around this far of my stupidity, thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I need it. And then, like, if you don't, you're gonna miss out on content in the future whenever I get YouTube money, hopefully. And get better stuff to hit. I could buy brand new microwaves if I get some good money out of this. And I'm not trying to be greedy, because whatever money I spend on YouTube comes from a YouTube video. The reason I haven't bought anything for YouTube is because I'm not making anything on YouTube videos. It's sort of like Mr. Beast, but Mr. Beast is Mr. Beast and I'm not. He spends all his money on his YouTube videos that he gets from YouTube. That's what I'm gonna do. I just gotta get the money. So share this to your friends, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.